Hey, today I'll be showing you how I do my own face waxing at home. Please know that I am not a licensed esthetician and it is very possible to hurt yourself doing this at home. So the reason I have to do this is that I have PCOS, or Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, which throws my hormones out of whack and causes hair to grow thicker in areas like the chin and mustache. I'm going to use Cerapill Blue, but any wax that hardens and can be ripped off by hand can work with this. I use the one that comes in the metal container so I can just pop it into my GG wax warmer. I pop it in, I set it on high, and I let it sit for about an hour. That way it'll be heated all the way through when I'm ready. You know it's ready when there's no hard lumps in the wax. I use a large wooden stick to apply the wax to my face, being sure to apply it in the same direction as the hair growth. I want to be sure to make a fairly thick layer so that it's sure to grab all of the hair. I like to apply it to multiple places on my face so that I save time while it hardens. Before I wax my eyebrows, I brush all the hairs in a downward motion. I also use a smaller wooden stick for precision application. I apply the wax high above my brow and then push it down into the hairs into the shape that I desire, which for the top brow is pretty close to a straight line. And then I do a slight arc for the outside tail. And you'll see the same process for the other side. Again, I want to make sure the wax is thick enough to grab all the hairs. And this is my halfway point where I stop to let the wax fully harden. When I can hear my finger tap on it, I know it's ready. I peel the bottom edge up high enough so I can get a good grip on it. It's important to peel in the opposite direction of hair growth. I'm going to use one hand to slightly pull down on the skin and the other one to rip the wax off. It may take 2 or 3 tugs. And here you can see some of the hairs that were pulled off. Again, I check for a tapping sound to make sure it's ready. I peel the wax up from the bottom, secure the skin with one hand, and peel up from the bottom. For the brows, I peel from the outer tail to the inside. And now I repeat the process on the opposite side. To wax the bottom of my brows, this time I brush the hairs in an upward direction. I start the wax lower than I need to and then push it up into the shape that I want. If you get little strings of wax attached to your stick, just flick it away from your face. Again, I peel in a direction against the hair growth. First, I stabilize my skin with one hand, and then I grasp the wax with the other and make a few tugs. Again, you can see some of the hairs here. Peel from the bottom, stabilize the skin, and pull opposite the direction of hair growth. The lower brow is where you're most likely to get an injury, so it's especially important to stabilize the skin in this step. Now that I'm done, I will wash and exfoliate my face to make sure I don't break out. Tweeze any hairs that may have been left behind. And that's it, no more pesky hairs, I'm all ready to go. For more beauty how-tos, please like and subscribe, and be sure to hit the little bell button so that you never miss a video. Thanks!